Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes, so let's see what happens. Looking to go short here at 27.75 on GDS on this current bounce. Just an initial opening allotment, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. That is the current plan. I will keep you updated. Also have a share order out there on SBUX, Starbucks, down at 56.55 to buy, but it's looking like I could get filled here. All right, I don't like how it's pausing, so what I'm going to do is go to 27.95, and we'll see if it can get up there or not. Maybe that was a bad move, but this one's showing a little bit more strength, so I'll let it run. We'll see if it can get up there or not. At this point, though, it's only gone as high as 27.73, so even if I had kept that order there, at this point, I wouldn't have been filled. So let me keep the video running. We'll see if we can get the pop up to 27.95 or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, getting pretty close now. Well, got up as high as 27.90. As soon as I get the video recording, it pulls back. All right, getting up there very close now. Okay, got all in there. We'll look to build some more up at 28.25, or if it wants to give me 15 cents, I'll take that. So we'll have to see what it wants to do here. All right, it decided to just give me that 15 cents, which equated to $75. I'll look to start the process over again at 28.15. All right, looking to go long here, 86.55 as my first entry point. This thing is obviously getting beat up quite a bit. Gapped up, ran up. Some poor souls I actually bought over there. And now it's rolled back over. So if it wants to keep on rolling over, I'd be interested in potentially trying to build a long position for a bounce, but we will see what happens. But that is the current plan. Still have GDS out there at 28.15. All right, looking to start a short position here at 149.35. All right, I'm going to actually go to 149.95. This thing's showing quite a bit of strength, so we'll see if it can get up there or not. Let me get this alerted to the chat room right now. There we go. All right, again, 149.95 is my initial entry point. Still a ways to go, but it's actually not too far off because this one can move very quick. So let's see if I can capture a break of 149 if 149 does indeed fail. There's the break. All right, this thing is actually 150.50. I do feel good about that area. High of 149.87, so I still wouldn't have been filled at 149.95 anyways. So it's making another run here. Let's see if we can get up there through 150 or not. All right, now it's pulling back, so I'm going to go ahead and pause. And wow, look at that. DVMT. Look at that turnaround. Wow. So actually, I need to get this alert in the chat room. All right, let's see. 93.45. I'll actually look to go short there if it wants to keep moving. But Well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Why didn't I just buy right there, Clay? But wow, what an absolute turnaround. All right, looking to pick up 500 shares here at 475. We'll see if I can get those or not. Excellent, got those. So we'll look to build a bigger position. 425 and then 415. So let's see what happens here. Very, very small size given this is a sub $5 stock. All right. And out right there. I want to buy at 455 if it pulls back though. So let's see if it wants to pull back a little bit. Not going to lie, it was kind of tempting to maybe try to chase on that break of 5, but chasing can work, but it can really bite you too. So I'm going to sit, and if I miss the move, I miss the move, but I'm only willing to buy if this thing wants to pull back a little bit more. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just leave that at 425 now. It's looking like if 460 does fail, then this thing could, actually, what's the low of that? 455, 455, but I probably wouldn't have gotten filled anyways. But all right, I'm going to go ahead and pause, and if this thing looks like it wants to pull back some more, then I will get the video rolling again. Well, this one seems to be leaving me in its dust right now, but you never know. It's got to get down through 480 though. You haven't seen it, but watching level 2s, 480 is clearly where a lot of buyers are hanging out at. May have even moved up to 490 now because 490 is acting like 480 was on level 2s. So I may be willing to move up my 425, but not quite yet. So we'll see what happens with it. All right, I don't know if it's actually going to make the move down there, but if it wants to pull back to 480, I have a long order at, I have a long order at 480, so if it wants to pull back there, let's see if it can happen. Where are we at? All right, not even quite 10 minutes yet. All right, I'm going to pause. All right, maybe there's a break of 5. Can it get down to 480 though? That's the next question. Let's see. Low of 483 on this move, so I was within 3 cents. All right, so I'm going to go to 470, whoops, 470, not 770, 470. So we'll see if this pullback wants to keep on pulling back or not. I will keep you updated. All right, looking to get 500 shares short here at 26.15. It broke 26 and started to move pretty quick and still is moving. There we go. Well, went up it. Oh, great. Right there you can see high of 26.14. So let's do 26.25. We'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, trying to get up there again. High is 26.22. And once again, just, all right, I am in. We'll try for some more at 26.45. So let's see what happens with this one. Kind of a slower mover. So I'm going to go ahead and pause since we're at 10 minutes, and I'll keep you updated. Well, oh, okay. Never mind. Was pulling back. I thought maybe I'd get an exit there, but didn't quite happen. It's all right. I am going to pause. All right. Maybe out. Okay. I think I got it. Yeah. All right. Out there for another quick $50. I am interested again at 26.45, so I'm just going to leave that order up there. Let's see what else I can find. And here we are looking at DVMT. Now look at it all the way back down here at new lows. So, I mean, talk about just a crazy, crazy stock. I am going to put an order out there at, let's see, 85.37, double checking. I want to go long. So there we go. BSPM, I do have an order at 5.37 to buy on that one. So fishing orders in the water, just a matter of seeing if I can get some nibbles. All right, I moved that order down to 84.75. We'll see if it can get down there or not. Looks like it might give it a try. Hindsight, should have kept my order at 85.37, would have been perfectly fine. So that's what I get for not sticking with the original. All right, let's do this. 84.55. You know what? I'm going to go 37 on this one, and I'm going to trust it this time. So let's see if I can get it or not. There I am. We'll look to build more. Okay, need to stop talking. 83.25. Try to get some of those. $82.75 just in case. Okay, got those. Got those. So let's put some orders out here. Well, I got 24 shares out at 83.50. So let's see if this thing does indeed want to bounce some more or not. Let's go for some at 81.75. Again, 83.50. And then 83.65 are where I have a couple orders. It's trying to consolidate out here. Oh, wow, we're at 14 minutes. So let's see, I'm at 1976 in shares. So have orders at 83, 15, and 25. Well, it keeps going up there, but it keeps stopping right before it fills my orders. But let's see if I can get a hammer candle here. Okay, got 83.15s out. Okay, I got the 25s out. Got the 35s out. And now I'm just gonna, oh shoot. Well, now I'm accidentally short 24 shares. So let me just mark it out of these. All right, so on that trade, $417. Yes, I am well aware of the fact that at one point I was, the minus was much less, but this is why I don't go all in at once. It allows me to control the trade a little bit more. So let's see, $617. I am now up 10.15 or 10.16, so 45 minutes in, up $600. I will take it. And yeah, I'm tempted now. This is the dead cat. This could be a nice little short here, but yeah, I'm going to keep an eye on. Oh, wow, we're at 16 minutes. I'm just going to wrap this thing up. I know some of you like longer videos, but this is going to go on 20 minutes. So as I head into closing here, if you do enjoy these videos and want me to keep making them, then the easiest way to convey that to me is, hey, Clay, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's how you can, just let me know that you enjoy these, want me to keep making them. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, probably, well, maybe such a long video. You heard me refer to, sorry, I'm trying to watch this and decide and talk at the same time, and I'm a bumbling idiot right now. But I talked about the chat room and making alerts. You can join that. Just go to claytrader.com. That is called the Inner Circle, and the cost is only $99 per year, not per month. And as I always say, and will continue to say, over the time span of 12 months, I'm more than confident you're going to get at least $99 worth of value. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, again, claytrader.com. I offer many online video courses on that. So thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll take it. $600, 45 minutes. Good morning. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.